What's up, guys? Welcome to Aries Moto, home of the quick and easy, where nothing is quick, definitely not easy. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So I get this, actually this car reminded me of the problem, and I get asked quite a few times. So what happens is, when you put the key inside, you can't turn it. It's like stuck. It's very stuck. So what you need to do is, the steering wheel, there's a locking mechanism, right? So you can't drive if you try to steal it without a key. So sometimes this steering wheel gets locked, and then you have to move it up or down, depends. Don't slam it too hard, just a little bit. And then it's kind of hard doing it with one hand. There you go. So I'm just moving it with my leg. All right, so right now I can start the car and then pull it out. I don't know, so on some cars this thing gets stuck, so it's like very hard sometimes. Now it's okay. So yeah, you want to just push steering wheel a little bit left or right, try to relieve the pressure and tension from the lock mechanism, and then you'll be able to turn no problem. All right, thanks for watching. See you next video.